what you see right from our plexus, which are our the new basically changeovers from the MIMO. We grow up to the new VIVO series, which is going to be offering much more capabilities and much more ease of use and programming when it comes to comparing between this and the old MIMO series. This will have much more ease, much more intuitive designs, much more easy to program the whole thing. Yes, we have an 8x8 matrix which we can connect to from the VIVO, we can connect to another BO which can add you another 8 analog channels. And now we also have a 32 which is just being launched, which is basically just Dante, which will just give you Dante channels. And also we have the new BO8X which is with I'll just show you the BO8XG, which also give you now basically GPIs. So it's you got a big flexibility. If you want GPIs, you can use it. You don't want the GPIs, you can actually go to the classic X8 to extend and make it to another 8 channels of input and output. Same coming over to you already know the VIDA series, which are a beautiful set of amplifiers which has got an option of power sharing, which gives you a lot of flexibility to use the systems right from 2 ohms of impedance to 4, 8, 16. The amplifier works flawlessly, and also you can switch between 100 volts and 70 volt lines with a built-in SD card player, which actually helps you a lot, able to be much more flexible with your install, where you're having impedance based and 100 volt line amplifiers working in only one unit. So it makes your installs very flexible. Plus a complete DSP, as you all know, it's got a full-blown DSP, a beautiful system, can be clubbed with a lot of other products like your new Pulsar screens and your other screens, where you actually have much more touch-based systems available to you. And yes, it's the future what we are taking you towards now. It's not what was there on the old analog Ecler classic things that you used to get. Now we are talking about the future with complete new designing. What we love about the system is the new floating logo of Ecler, which actually speaks a lot for itself. It just gives you a amazing feel of the product. It gives it more chic, more classy feel with the whole product. It gives a complete upmarket feel. Even in rack, the rack looks beautiful compared to the old systems when you used to do all bland designs. Now the racks are much more beautiful. Also, now we have the Mars, and which are our video matrix, which are extending Eclairs. As you know, we are already extending into the video part with Eclair, and we have been already, we had some matrices earlier, but this is the new latest gen of Mars matrix, which are giving an 8x8 and a 4x4 matrix with the Eclair video part. And then obviously we come into our the Bob systems, which are like our Dante breakout boxes, which has 2-in-2 out and a 4-in-4 out Dante capabilities, obviously. And the classic one, the Bob 44 4-in-4 out, which I've been already using. But this is all complete new generation for you. And yes, we are going to be talking more about these products later, and you can anyways get in touch with anyone in Eclair if you want to know any in-depth parts about the same products, and we can give you a lot of things, a lot of insights about everything in this product. So looking forward for your queries so that we can brief you more about these things and guide you how to use them, how to take out the best possible usage of the system, because these can do a lot. So we are looking forward to your queries.